Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have a special unboxing, a product review from Colorful DIY. Colorful DIY is a website where they have paint by diamond paintings. They have cross stitch. They have other craft, but the website is not working on my phone. It doesn't work on my phone. But they have free shipping if you buy $69 or more. They have 15% off up to November 11, but they have a 13% off site-wise. So I'm just trying to get to the menu because they have other craft, and I wanted to let you know about the other craft, but I don't know, my phone is kind of a weirdo today. They have a secret garden. They have custom photos where they do custom work of your craft. They have diamond painting and cross stitch craft. That's what Colorful DIY takes care of. So the first one, let me see. Always like this landscapes. Let me get these two first. Let's get this one. This one is a welcome 14 count. It's 18 by 26. It has quite a bit of a back stitching. I've been looking into this one for a long time, but I didn't. Oh, okay. I was gonna say, where is the thread? Here is the picture. It's 71 inches wide by 103 height. It has 14 full stitch, 3 French knot, and 3 back stitch. Okay, that's quite a little. Here it is, that doggy. Welcome for giving the welcome, and it's not that big either. As a matter of fact, this is the welcome is the back stitch. The welcome and this to hang the, yeah, it's a lot of back stitching because the leaves also have back stitch. And the dog too. So there's quite a bit of back stitching in here. So here is the fabric. It's an off-white. It's serged around for your convenience of not getting frayed while stitching. You have the symbols over here. These are the symbols that you go by on your fabric. French knots, I tend to use beads. Unless it's the eyes, well, can be used too. So here it is. It's a partial. You don't have to, it's not that many stitches. This is going to be an easy breezy, especially for beginners. Okay. And it has some back stitch. Look at the colors. The Enjoy Sunday has, as always, your needles. Okay. And here are the 14 colors, which are 4 colors. Okay. They are the colors of fall. Here they are. Beautiful colors. Okay. So this one is going to be an easy breezy, peasy for, and you have quite a bit of back stitch, but this is probably for beginners. Okay. Here they are. That's the first one. The second one is this beautiful stitching This is for people who does knitting. This is a 14 count 32 by 32. It's called Flower Basket Red Poppy. I like the poppies. The poppies. I like the poppies. The poppies. Let's see this one. This one is going to have some back stitch. Here is the picture without the glare. That's beautiful. Okay, this is a series, so here is the back stitching. It's not that much though. It's not that much there and in here. This one has 36 colors and has 6 back stitch. Here they are. These are the color, the symbol for the shard. Okay. This one has 135 stitches wide by 135 stitches high. It's a 32 by 32. Let's take a look at the fabric. This is not that big. Again, it's a little stiff. It has the name and the product code of the picture. It has the symbols that you must use in the Aida. Okay, this is a partial again. Again, the symbols, like always, crispy clear. Is searched for all around, so it won't fray while you're stitching. Here it is. Beautiful, crispy elements. I love Joy Sunday. I love them. I love them. Well, I got about 10 on the way over here. Okay, so we got... Oh. We got the 2 needles from Joy Sunday. We got, here they are, the colors. There's not that many because it's a small, actually it's a small cross stitch. Okay. Oh, this one is going to hurt. Here is the 31 to 37. Because one of the colors is for back stitching. So here they are all together. They look like fall colors. You can say that they have fall colors. Look at how beautiful they look. Okay. So here is this one. The next one now, the 2 that I like the most. Let me see. I'm gonna take this one first. This one is a smaller one. This one is called Garden Path, 14 count, 17 by 34. It has some back stitching for what you can see. Let me get the stuff out so you can see it. better. This one only has 2 pages. You can see over here the back stitch. This one has 28 colors, 29 because if you count the back stitch, it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 back stitch and 4 French knot. This one I definitely am going to be using beads. It's a 70 stitches wide by 148 high. Okay, it's 17 by 34, so it's a long one. Okay, it tells you all the stitches, page 1 and 2. Here it is. It's a long one, but it's not that big. And here it is, the name with the product code, the number of stitches, 70 by 148. You got the symbols over here, which are the ones that you're supposed to go by with the DMC code. The fabric is searched all around, so you won't fray while you're stitching. And here are the numbers. The numbers and the symbols. Very crispy. There is some blocking. It's a partial too, because you don't do this area. Beautiful. These numbers are clear, so you can go by these numbers. Again, Joy Sunday has the 2 stitches. That's a hallmark of them. This one is not that big, so here it is. Here are the colors. Garden path, so it's going to have garden colors like the greens, some blues for the sky, and here is the colors together. Beautiful colors. And my favorite of all of them, and it's obviously the bigger one, is this one, the Seaside Cafe. 14 count, 2 strands, 44 by 33. Let me take a drink of my Diet Coke. Here it is. This one's gonna have a lot of back stitching. A lot of back stitching. Here it is, page 1 and 3. Here is a picture. I'm trying to get you closer without the glare. A lot of detail on this one. It's 198 stitches wide by 142. And over here, yeah, it's 4 pages. They have 35 colors. Well, actually 36. with the French knot, 6 are backstitch and 2 French knots, which are in the flower. You can see them over here, the round ones. That means I'm going to be using beads in there. You even have the little guys in there. A lot of detail on these ones. You got the backstitch for the gift. Keep forwarding. And here it is. More detail. And more French knots. So 35 colors. This one is a little bigger, like I said. This one has the name Seaside Cafe, the number of stitches 198 by 142. It has all the symbols for the full stitch, back stitch, and the French knot. Those are the symbols that you go by in the fabric. Okay. It's a partial because you don't have to stitch on the back over here. A lot of detail, a lot. And the symbols, like always, the colors vibrant, the symbols are crispy. Unreadable, no smudging, no nothing. Nothing weird. Beautiful. Again, the fabric is serged, so it won't fray while you're stitching. Beautiful, beautiful back stitching. Okay. Again, let me get this. Again, you get the 2 needles from Joy Sunday. Okay. Here is the colors. It says Seaside Cafe. It's 36. Here they are, all the colors together. Beautiful. Some muted, some vibrant because you have flowers. You have the seaside and you have buildings. Okay, so this one is pretty, 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 pretty. Pretty, pretty too. For stitching. So this is it. Well, I'm trying to put this over here. Thank you, Colorfuldiy, for this collaboration. Thank you for these beautiful cross stitches. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you for watching. Welcome to all subscribers and non-subscribers too. Consider subscribing. And there's playlists. If you have a special request, you are welcome to post it in the comments. Thank you for watching. Again, to all of you lovely, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.